Hello children, how are you all? I hope all of you are doing good. So children, do you remember what we have done in our last class? Yes, do you remember? I was explaining you the story, right? Do you remember which story? Yes, will the boat float? This story. So, all of you have your book with you? Look, this book. Yes, all of you have your book with you? Okay. If not, go and bring your book. Okay? Then we'll start. Okay. I hope now all of you have your book with you. So, in our last class, I have explained you the first half part from this storybook, right? Okay. So now I am going to explain you the last half part of this storybook. Okay? Are you clear? Okay. So in our last class I have explained you up to this part, right? So today I am going to explain you from this part. I will start from this part. Is it visible to you, the page? Yes. Okay. Okay, then read. Let's read it. The boat floats. So in our last class we came to know that these animals, right? Cow, pig, dog, rat, they want to go to a city, right? And they have to cross a river to go to a city. Okay? Do you remember which animal get into the boat first? Yes, a cow, right? The cow. Then after the cow, who joined the cow? The pig. Yes, very good. Then the dog, right? Okay, can you tell me who left? Yes, the rat. Okay. So children, when these three animals get into the boat started floating. Okay, the boat start to float. Okay? Okay, good. Now all of you turn your page. Okay, look here. Can you see it clearly? Can you see it clearly? I hope all of you can see it. It is my turn, says the rat. So, after cow, pig, dog, now it is the rat turn. For what? To get into the boat. Okay, now look. Finally, the rat jumps into the boat. Then finally, at last, the rat jump. Right? Do you know how to jump? Like this, right? Finally, the rat jump into the boat. Okay, now let's see what happens after that. Yes, look. Oh, sorry, this is the picture. Will the boat float? Yes, can you see? Will the boat float? So, now do you think, will the boat float? Yes, do you think? Okay, let's see. You can see in the picture, right? Okay, what we can see? ये animals, ये डूबने वाला है. Right, we can see this. Okay. Now, look here. No, it does not. The boat sink. Right. But when the rat get into the boat, what happens? The boat did not float. The boat sinks. Right. The boat was going under the water because the animal were too heavy. So the boat were going under the water. Okay? Okay. Now look this. They all get out of the water. So when the boat started to sink, they all were afraid and they went out of the water. Okay? Okay. Now look here. Now, how will they cross the river? Okay? So, can you tell me now how will they cross the river? Yes? Because they are too heavy. The boat cannot take their weight, right? So now how will they cross the river? Okay. So you have to tell me how will they cross the river, okay? You think and tell me your answers. How will they cross the river? Okay? Okay. So, can you look this page? Yes? Things that float. So, can you see the things that float? What can you see here? This is a feather, ball, leaf. Then this is a toy, I think. Okay. Then this is a duck toy. They are light in weight. So they float into the water. They float into the water. Okay. And look this page. Things that sink. Look, this is a stone. Then spoon, coin, glass, then key. These are heavy, so they sink into the water. Okay? So all of you understood? I think all of you like this story? Yes? Okay children, I hope all of you like this story. Okay, so that's all for today. See you in our next class. Okay children, bye. Take care.